Workshop Wednesday. Sorry about last week, I was skiving. We're with these wheat chiefs this week for Danny Porter, who's here. He's commissioned this job, so he's here, big DP. Got some 8mm round bar. We've put a bit of a point on both ends, 18 inches long. Mark centre. I'm just going to get a bit of a right angle bend on that. And then these going to forge over here, so they can get these nice and warm. Straight out over here.
Comedy Dave.
Let's get it on action. So they go in there. I'm going to cast off 12, seeing these -6 outside. We're just going to warm them up, bend them over again. So they like that, bang on in the middle. Grab onto that. Back it forge. And what we need to do with these is start bending them. Just going to put them in here. I'm going to go clockwise with these. I'm just going to put a twist into them. Start twisting them. So these are going clockwise, in the clockwise direction. And this has got to be as weak, because we're doing this commission for a farmer that sadly passed away, David Berry from Thornton in Craven. So this is going on his land. And this is what's been asked for us to do. So you're a farmer, he grew wheat, and this is going to be some wheat. So we've got this one going in a clockwise direction. Chuck this back in. Get this one going in an anti-clockwise direction. So that basically when you put these two pieces together, you've got chevrons that are like. So you get just of this and keep going, we get a really good twist and that. Losing a bit of heat there, so back in fire with this. Bring it up one back up. Just finish this one off. Just go, that one's going in a clockwise direction. Finish him off. Until you get a load of twists like that. And then what we do with these, chop them down a bit, over onto a welding bench, put a bit of a stem on it. We're just going to, well, there you go, you've got the chevrons going like that. Just put a bit of weld on this. Aye. Just fill that up with a bit of weld, and then we take these, put them in fire over here. And then just going to give this a bit of a bashing. So that's what we've done earlier. We're just going to flatten them a bit, get them blended in together. We just leave the end bits all by the end of the wheat, barley, whatever we're doing, you know, make it look more natural and real. So that's how we make them, and they're going into this oval panel that we've already got over here. So we're going to make a load of these, bundle them all together with some like twine or some baling twine, and we've even made a couple of these little field mice that are going to be running up and around it. We'll wrap loads around it. So here with all this, so that's how mice start out, a bit of 20mm. I'm just drawing that out, so we've got a bit of a tail, so we want to be that big. So we just keep whacking that, tapping that round and drawing that out. And that's pretty much what we're on with today. So forget about the beast from the east, get down here at North Valley Forge, we're the best in the northwest.